Chapter 3, Windows, the Operating System. Hello children, today you will learn about Computer Operating System. Operating system is a program that helps a computer to work properly. It controls the other parts which are attached to the computer. It also manages the software installed on the computer. Microsoft Windows is the most commonly used operating system. Once you open a computer, you will get a welcome screen with time and date. Just click anywhere to go to the user accounts screen. This screen lets you choose which user you want to log in from the lower left corner. After choosing the right user and entering a password if necessary, you will see the Windows desktop. The Windows desktop is simply your operating system main screen. Here you have access to an array of tools like the Start menu, taskbar and other icons. Windows 10 also introduces a search box in the taskbar which facilitates browsing both your computer and the web. Do you know in GUI all commands are given in the form of graphical buttons and menu options? Windows 10 GUI Basics. Once you get to the Windows desktop screen, here are some basic features you will see. Recycle bin. When you delete a file, it moved to the recycle bin. This allows you to recover the file if you change your mind. To permanently delete the file, you will need to empty the recycle bin. Icons. You can keep folders, files and shortcuts on the desktop in the form of icons, so they will be easily accessible. Desktop background. The desktop background or wallpaper allows you to personalize your computer. You can choose a built-in background or use one of your own images. Start button. In most versions of Windows, you will click the Start button to open the Start menu. Taskbar. The taskbar contains shortcuts of applications, date and time and more. When you open a program or file, it will appear on the taskbar and you can easily switch between different programs by selecting them on the taskbar. Shortcuts on the taskbar. Some programs will have shortcuts on the taskbar for easy access. In this example, there are shortcuts of Microsoft Edge, File Explorer and the Windows Store. Date and time. On the right side of the taskbar, you will see date and time. There will also be some shortcuts to various settings like internet settings and sound volume. One of the most important parts of your desktop is the taskbar. By default, it sits at the bottom of your screen, giving you access to the Start menu, several application icons and the notification area. Brainstorm. Do we require to remember any commands for working in Windows on the computer? Using applications in Windows. In Windows 10, if an application is active or opened, you will see a colored line below its icon. Clicking the icon will bring the application window up. Every open window features three buttons in the upper right corner. These are used to minimize, maximize and close the window. Minimizing means that the window will hide in the taskbar. Maximizing will bring the window to a full screen size. Application windows can be moved around or resized as you please. To move a window, just click on its title bar on the upper side of the window and drag it. To resize a window, move your mouse to any corner until you see a double-sided arrow. Then click and drag until you reach the desired size. Do you know? Deleting shortcut icon has no effect on the file or folder it represents. Icons. Most Windows versions feature different icons on the background. An icon is simply a graphic representation of an application or a file. To open or access an icon, just double-click on it. Although the amount and type of icons will vary depending on the computer, you can add more icons by following the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop background. Step 2. Choose Shortcut. Step 3. Browse for the application or file to whom you want to create a shortcut. Step 4. Assign a name to the shortcut and click Finish. Icons can also be moved around by clicking on them and dragging them to another place in the screen. Desktop background. Another component of your desktop is the background. This is simply an image that appears at the back of your desktop screen. Most computers come with a pre-selected background, but you can change it to any image you want. To change the background, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the background and choose Personalize. Step 2. From the Personalization window, choose from a series of pre-selected pictures or browse for your own. After choosing a picture, the background will change automatically. Windows 10 Navigation. To navigate your window, you can simply type what you are looking for on the taskbar search. It can be the name of a document or application or just any information you are looking for.